I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to take a look at the list visualization mode in Mailing Boss and look at all of the individual icons that you can use for your subscriber list. So as you can see, I'm in my dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into my lists and click List. And now you can see all of my lists that are available. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this first list that's available to me. And as you can see, I'm in visualization mode of list. Let's take a look at each one of these icons and see what they do. The first icon is overview. And when I click that, what I get is a list overview that tells me a lot of information about the subscriber list. First of all, it tells me the name of the list up at the top. Then it tells me how many subscribers I have, how many segments, how many fields I have available, the pages that are the stock pages that I can edit and configure. There's some quick links that I can choose that will take me quickly to any area that I want to go to. I can also copy the HTML forms here for adding to web pages for collecting information for the subscriber list. I can choose to import or export information from this subscriber list. I also have the option to import subscribers here. I can create a new email campaign here, or I can create a new email sequence here. And then below that, I have the ability to look at some analytics, including subscriber growth, campaign growth, delivery versus bounces, and unsubscriber growth. And all of those are available on this overview of the subscriber list. When we go back to our list, we can see that the next item is update. I'm going to click that icon, and this allows me to update information about this subscriber list. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill out general data of the subscriber list, including the name, the display name, and a short description. When I fill all that out, all I have to do is click Save Changes, and everything's been saved. I also have some advanced features that I can work with. And if I click the Advanced button, it takes me down here where I can choose more advanced options, like the type of opt-in and opt-out we have, which is either double opt-in, double opt-out, or single opt-in, single opt-out. We can also choose to say no to the stock welcome email, and that will cause the welcome email that's the stock email to not send. And you can create your welcome email in the email sequence that you develop for this list. There's a lot of other things that you can set here. We can also look at the button that says notifications, so let's click that. And this is what allows us to get notifications in case someone subscribes or unsubscribes. If you click yes, you can put the email that you want this information sent to every time someone subscribes or every time someone unsubscribes. Or if you don't want to get those emails, you just set it to no. The next button we can check is subscriber actions. In this case, if the subscriber subscribes, he will be unsubscribed from any of these lists that you check mark. If this action happens, if you check mark this action, if a subscriber unsubscribes, he'll be unsubscribed from the following list as well. So be sure to read these very, very carefully so you understand exactly what's happening. And it's really important that when you use these actions, you test them repeatedly to make sure they're working correctly for you. The next thing we're going to look at is company details. When I click that button, it will open up our company details, including our company name, the industry, the country, and even our address, city, state, and zip, and the website for our company. And you also have tags right here. These are the available tags for your address format. It's important to make sure that you do not remove the items from this area. What this does is it adds the company information to each of your emails, which is required by the CAN-SPAM Act. So once you make any changes to this area, all you have to do is click Save Changes, and you'll have saved all the information for your subscriber list under Update. So let's go back to our list and look at the next icon, which is Subscriber. And in this area, all of our individual subscribers are going to be listed. And there's a few things we can do with them on this screen, including we can create a new subscriber, We can add more subscribers from a bulk source. And let's look at the next item we have, which is the emails and page configuration. If you click the gear icon, that's going to take us to all the stock pages and the stock emails that are available for you to configure for your subscribers. So inside the pages, we have the subscribe form, the pending subscribe, subscription confirmed, update profile, unsubscribe form, unsubscribe confirmation, and subscription confirmed approval. So if you want to edit any of these to make them say what you want them to say, all you do is click and it will open up that page along with the editor, and you can edit any way you want to. And that's a great way to personalize all of your stock pages and emails. So let's go back and take a look at the email forms. You can also edit the email forms that your subscribers will get when they subscribe to your list, including the subscribe confirmation email, the unsubscribe confirmation email, the welcome email, which remember that you can turn that off and create the welcome email in your sequence instead of in the stock email area. And you can edit the subscription confirmed approval email. If you want to edit any of these, you just click it and it will open up that email and it'll give you the ability to edit however you want, and then you click save and next to be able to save your edits. And we'll return back to our previous page. That's how you edit all of your stock pages and emails. All right, going back to our list, the next icon we're going to look at is duplicate list. I can click this icon and it will allow me to make a copy of the list. So as you can see, I was on subscriber list B, and now there's a subscriber list B number 1. So I've made an exact copy of this list, but I want you to notice that it did not bring over the subscribers. Okay, the next icon is import, export, and copy. So when I click that, it gives me the ability to import subscribers, export subscribers, and copy subscribers. So let's look at import. And when I bring subscribers into the list, I can choose to bring them in with a CSV file, a text file, or even an SQL database live import. Okay, so I can choose any one of those 3 methods. When I export a list, I can choose to export the list as a CSV, and it actually immediately drops it down into my download file. The next thing I can do is copy my list, and to do that, I choose the list, and I can choose even a segment if I have a segment, and then I just click copy, and it will copy subscribers from another list to this list. And then the last icon that we have on every list is the delete. And what we do with the delete is we just click it to delete it, and it wants you to confirm the list removal. And when you do that, it will tell you exactly how many subscribers will be deleted, along with how many segments, how many custom fields, and even how many email campaigns. So it tells you what all will be removed. If that's all okay, then you click I understand, delete it, and that list will disappear from your dashboard. And as you can see, I've got subscriber list B, but my other list, the subscriber list B number 1, is gone now because I've deleted it. That's all the things that you can do with the icons that are available in your subscriber list under the list visualization.